position mentioned below, job title, Quality Assurance Occupational and Safety Officer, reporting to Quality Assurance Manager, Department Quality Assurance. Job purpose, she or he will be responsible.
Insudi TV show. Link people with friends.
Tubayemo buhora budutungura umunsi ku munsi, kutagira amakuru bikaba ikibazo kurushaho, kuba kure y'amakuru nabyo bikaba ikindi kibazo. Kugeza uyu munsi ntibikiri ikibazo kuba uri kure y'amakuru, ahubwo ikibazo ni ukuba utazi aho wakura amakuru. Nshuti TV show niyo mpamvu ihari kugira ngo ikugezeho amakuru atandukanye ku myanya y'akazi ahantu hatandukanye, ibyegeranyo biza ku gihe, byuzuye ubusesenguzi buhambaye ndetse n'ikoranabuhanga. Byose birihuta, dukurikire kuri Nshuti TV show, YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter n'ahandi hose. Hose tubana nawe umunsi ku munsi, ukabasha kugerwaho n'amakuru ameze neza kandi ajyanye n'igihe ku myanya y'akazi ahantu hatandukanye. Byose umurimo ni wo wa mbere mu buzima. Ubundi ni gute twisanze aha hantu? Yes, ndagusuhuje kandi nguhaye ikaze wakoze subscribe kuri Nshuti TV show. Uyu munsi tugiye kugaruka mu buryo bushyashya butamenyere, tugiye kujya tubagezaho ibiganiro bigaruka ku myanya y'akazi bitandukanye birya hirya no hino mu Rwanda, ndetse abantu batandukanye bakomeje kugenda bidusaba muri comment ko twajya tubagezaho ahantu henshi hari amahirwe y'akazi ku bigo bitandukanye. Rero niyo mpamvu twavuze tuti reka twubahirize amahitamo yacu, kuko mwe muri inshuti zacu kandi duhorana umunsi ku munsi, tunabashimira ko mwahisemo kubana natwe. Rero uyu munsi tugiye kubagezaho itangazo ry'akazi riboneka mu kigo cyo mu Rwanda cyitwa Rwandair Catering Limited. Itangazo rigaragara ku rubuga rwa Rwandair ryanditse muri bw'icyongereza. Ni itangazo turaza kubasomera mu cyongereza, rivuga riti Quality Assurance Occupational Health Safety Officer. Niwe muntu ukenewe, ni umuntu ushinzwe Quality Assurance Occupational Health Safety Officer muri Rwandair. Hanyuma itangazo riravuga ngo Rwandair Catering Limited, we at Rwandair Catering are committed to providing fine and good quality food that will leave our guests on Rwandair admiring the fervor and taste that show the dedications of our chief and staff who produce our in-flight meals. Our meals are locked and assembled in our internationally credited in-flight. Job advertised. Rwandair Catering Limited is fast growing in-flight catering company in Rwanda that started its operations from August 2014, and it's providing catering service to shadowing airlines, private jet and charters. Rwandair Catering Limited aims to be one of the biggest aviation catering company in Africa in a few years to come. As a part of this strategy, we're looking for interested, qualified, committed, and competent candidates to apply for position mentioned below. Job title, Quality Assurance Occupational and Safety Officer, reporting to Quality Assurance Manager, Department Quality Assurance. Job purpose, she or he will be responsible for assuring that overall food quality and safety occupational health service delivered are obtained through the company's operation. She will be responsible for ensuring a safe, healthy working environment through making sure that all employees put on provided the PES. He or she will be responsible for identifying health safety hazards at workplace, risk assessment and mitigation measures. Main duties and responsibilities: monitoring and ensure that quality, health and safety of production process is accomplished, reporting the measure health, safety and quality assurance to the AQ manager identified. AQ means Quality Assurance Manager identified through international audit system. Develop policy and program in as far as health and safety at workplace is concerned. Monitoring all staff for compliance with quality, health, safety standards and promote safety practice at work. Maintain accurate reports on accidents and injuries at the workplace. Conduct risk assessment and enforce prevention measures to minimize the identified risk. conducting regular staff meetings to share best practice techniques, maintaining compliance with all SAFET regulations, both national and international, carry out and other duties sent by superior, educational and work experience. Education, must have degree, university degree in food science, biotechnology, biochemistry, and bioengineering. Relevant work experience, at least 3 years of experience in the food processing industry, catering industry, mainly dealing with health safety and related issues, food quality, safety control, and food microbiology and chemistry analysis. Being trained in the occupational safety, health with certificate, trained in food safety and quality standard in certificate. How to apply? If you need meet all above criteria, send your application on application letter address to head of HR and administrations. Recently curriculum vitae, including 3 refills with their personal telephone contact and email ID address, notified degree at hr.admin@rwandaircatering.lawa, not later 9th July 2024 at 5 p.m. Rwandan local hours or local times. Notable, application letter, CV, and other document must be in English and must be specified the position you are applying. All documents must be assigned and dated. On shortlisted, the candidate will be contacted. So thank you. Make sure subscribe on the TV show if you are not making subscribe yet, and if it is the first time, make share and subscribe. We love you so much. Very soon we are going to give you another announcement we'll release. Every day we will receive a notification about the job in Rwanda. So thank you. Dated. On shortlisted, the candidate will be contacted. So thank you. Make sure subscribe on the TV show if you are not making subscribe yet, and if it is the first time, make share and subscribe. We love you so much. Very soon we are going to give you another announcement we'll release. Every day we will receive a notification about the job in Rwanda. So thank you.
In